Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Political Science Tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss about what is political culture, a topic of comparative politics. Please subscribe to the channel for the notification of next videos. The term culture is a sociological term, which means the customs, ideas, beliefs, etc. of a particular society, country, etc. For example, when people meet, the style of their greetings is different in different society. Somewhere by shaking hands, somewhere by folding hands, somewhere by bending their heads, they greet their guests. We have to keep in mind that the culture has an orientation in a society and these are age-old practices. In the same way, some beliefs, ideas are specific in a particular society or country. The political scientists used the notion of political culture to describe or to analyze the nature of a political system and how the members of that political system view it and their belief in its legitimacy. In this slide, I have mentioned the name of some important books regarding the topic political culture. These are important for exam purpose and also to enrich your knowledge. Modern Politics and Government, published in the year 1971, written by A.R. Ball. Patterns of Government, published in the year 1962, written by Beer and Ulam. The Civic Culture, published in 1963, written by Almond and Bharber. Comparative Politics, a Developmental Approach, published in the year 1966, written by Almond and Powell. The concept of political culture oriented from a sociological standpoint, but it is also used to discuss the course of political development of a country. I have discussed about political development in a separate video. The concept of political culture was popularized by some American writers in the decade of 1950s and 60s. The notable thinkers are Beer, Ulam, Almond, Huntington, etc. The study of political system from a different angle was the main aim of these political scientists. In this regard, they considered interdisciplinary approach to the politics. Means the inclusion of sociological, economic, psychological, anthropological analysis of the politics. Political culture as a concept used as an important variable to study the political system. Now, let us clear our concept about the term political culture. To understand any concept, we should know or study how the thinkers defined these concepts. Then it will be easy for us to understand the concept. Eminent thinker A.R. Ball, in his book Modern Politics and Government, published in the year 1971, he views that a political culture is composed of the attitudes, beliefs, emotions and values of society that relates to the political system and to political issues. Lucian Pye, in his Aspects of Political Development, published in the year 1966, viewed political culture as the set of attitudes, beliefs and sentiments which give order and meaning to a political process and that provides the underlying assumptions and rules that govern behavior in the political system. Here the term political process means the process of making decisions as a result of input of the information of a society and then the output which affects society, and they reacts and their reactions again work as input in a political system, and this is how the political process works. Gabriel Almond, in his book Comparative Politics, a Developmental Approach, published in the year 1966, viewed political culture as the pattern of individual attitudes and orientations towards politics among the members of a political system. From these definitions, the terms attitudes, beliefs, values, sentiments, emotions, orientations are related, and through these terms we can understand the political culture of a country. Now, with further explanation, we can say that in general, political culture is a set of shared values and normative judgments held by a population regarding its political system. Means the values which the members of that political system give importance. For example, a country which was under colonial rule but got independence after a long struggle, they celebrate their Independence Day with a great respect. Again, every citizen of a country respect their national flag because their sentiment is related to be proud of being the member of that particular nation. This attitude, belief, sentiment is not related to any specific actor like Prime Minister or President, but the system as a whole. It denotes that how people view the political system as a whole and their belief in its legitimacy. The book Civic Culture, which was published in the year 1963, was written by Almond and Verwer, and they presented here how liberal democracy developed and consolidate. Their work was based on surveys conducted in the United States, Britain, West Germany, Italy and Mexico. Name of these countries are important for your exam purpose. On the basis of the survey which was conducted in these 5 countries, they classified political culture in 3 pure or unmixed categories. Those are parochial culture, subject political culture, participant political culture. The parochial political culture is of simple traditional form. Here citizens are only aware of the existence of the central government. They have no role to participate in the decision making. Subject political culture. Here citizens are aware that they are not the participants of this political process, but they are treated like the subjects. It occurs in dependent colonies where people are compelled to accept the decisions of the political authority. In participant political culture, the citizens are the active members of the polity. They believe both that they can contribute to the system and that they are affected by it. Beside these 3 pure types, they mentioned more 3 mixed type political culture. First, parochial subject political culture. Here traditional political system works, but citizens are treated as only subjects. Subject participant political culture. Here citizens are treated as subjects, but they take part in the political system. Third, parochial participant political culture. Here traditional political system exists, but citizens are active participant of the political system. They think that they can contribute to the system. Now, a brief discussion about what Almond and Barber meant by civic culture. In their view, if civic culture has been practiced, democracy will be in its best form. Here, subject and parochial attitudes will be practiced, and this mix of subject and parochial culture is known as civic culture, which Almond and Barber stated. In this ideal combination, the citizens are sufficiently active in politics to express their preferences to rulers. But if they disagreed with any decision of the government, they are not rebellious to the political authority. They accept these decisions. If this is followed in a democracy, it will be a balance of popular participation and effective governance. For this reason, Almond and Barber considers that civic culture, the form of civic culture, if practiced, it will be the best form of political culture. Samuel P. Huntington classified political cultures according to civilizations on the basis of geography and history. These 8 types are Western civilizations, Japanese civilizations, Islamic civilizations, Hindu civilizations, Slavic Orthodox civilizations, Latin American civilization, Chinese civilization, African civilization. Now, in the conclusion, we can say that in modern political theory, the concept of political culture has a significant contribution. It helps us to understand why different political societies inevitably moved in different directions of political development, or which force some country to move towards political decay, because this political culture help to understand, the term political culture help us to understand why some countries move towards political development and some move towards political decay. Again, the study of political culture focused our attention on the study of political community or society as a collective entity, as distinct from individual, and thus on the total political system. Hope the discussed points about political culture is clear to you. Please subscribe to the channel, share your views in comment box. Thank you for watching.